Hi everyone, this is TSR. Today we are here to discuss about the last concept of first chapter real numbers, that one is logarithms. This concept is very important for all the competitive examinations also. For intermediate level also this one is very important. Okay na? But under 10th class syllabus we have little bit of concept under discussion. We will discuss that one and immediately we will enter into exercise 1.5. Understood? Logarithms total concept we are not discussing here, just based upon 10th class textbook content and examination point of view. Style of teaching will comes here. Okay, right. Coming to the topic logarithms. How and from where we will get these logarithms means, just observe this concept nana. So if we have 2 power 3 is called exponential form. Its answer everybody knows that 8. In the same way, if you have taken 2 power 4, automatically answer will become 16. So the way of writing 2 power 3, 2 power 4, something power something is called exponential form. It is called exponential form. Okay na? So this is exponential form. Its result is this. Exponential form result is this. So in this kind of exponential form, if I ask you 2 power how much is equal to 12? 2 power how much is equal to 12? It is little bit difficult to tell the value directly, because if you know the base and power based upon this exponential form, you will get the result. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied with itself 4 times. So from that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 we will get the result, right? But 2 power how much is 12 means, generally students will think that 2 power no direct value na. 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16. So there is no direct value, like that they will think. But observe that na. From 3 to 4 in the powers, there are infinitely many real values. That concept already in the previous exercises we discussed. When the power is increased from 2 to 4, infinitely real number values we can take. Among them, one of the real number value x will result the answer as 12. So in between the power gap you will get the result. At a certain x value, the answer will become 12. 2 power x equal to 12. So in getting that kind of power value, when we know the base and the result, if you need to find out the value of x, we will get logarithms. Exponential forms results transforms to logarithms when we need to find out the power value x. How? The exponential base will go to the other side of the equality with logarithmic base applied to 12. So if 2 power x equal to 12, then x is equal to log 12 to the base 2. So exponential form gives us logarithmic form. So inverse process of exponential form is logarithmic form. Logarithmic form inverse process is exponential form. Both are inverse to each other. So this is the general example. Numerical example. What is the generalization? If a power x is equal to n, it implies power value x is equal to log base a applied to n. This is the result of our conversion from exponential form to logarithmic form. Is it clear, Nana? Right. Same model, logarithmic form to exponential form also you can transform. How that it will be? You see this one. if log a to the base b is equal to c, then it implies upper value a is equal to logarithmic base will go to the other side of the equality and it will push. So, exponential base power c. Log a to the base b equal to c implies a is equal to b power c. This is its inverse representation. Okay, Nana? Right. So, from exponential form to logarithmic form, we need to habituate to write. From logarithmic form to exponential form, we need to habituate to write. Right. In this general representation of logarithm, log a to the base b equal to c model, in this, listen to me very carefully, a is called logarithmic number, b is called logarithmic base, c is called logarithmic value, total value. A is called logarithmic number, it is having specific condition, remember that one, a should be greater than 0, a should be greater than 0, and b is called, in this case b is called logarithmic base, and it is also greater than 0, but b should not be equal to 1, means logarithmic number should be a positive real value, base b is also positive real value, but it should not be equal to 1. Coming to c, logarithmic value c is any real value. Answer of the logarithmic value, result of the logarithmic value may be negative or 0 or positive. Please keep it in mind. In bits, they will ask you specifically for 1 mark. This is the basic condition. Okay, Nana? Right. So, from this exercise, based upon this condition, we are going to discuss about exercise 1.5, Nana. From that exercise, we have a chance to ask questions in the public examination for 1 mark like this in bits based upon theory, or simplified values of the logarithms can be asked for 1 mark, or single term value expanded forms has to be simplified that can be asked for 2 marks question, or 5, 6, 7 type of questions are there in the exercise 1.5. That model questions can be asked for 4 marks or for 6 marks. In 2025 March paper contains a questions of the form 5, 6, 7. Okay, na? That much important is this exercise. So, in logarithms exercise 1.5, we are going to discuss about first bit, 9th question and 10th question, and second Romans, 4th question and 5th question, and 5, 6, 7 questions. These are very important for public examination point of view, either for 1 mark in bits or for 2 marks in part A, or for 4 marks or for 6 marks. So, that is the case. Okay. To solve these problems, after knowing the definition of logarithms, what we have to learn? Some of the laws of logarithms or properties of logarithms we have to learn. Properties of logarithms. First one is log x base a plus log y base a is equal to log x into y base a. This is called product rule. In the same way, different names are there. Second one, log x base a minus log y base a equal to log x by y base a. You need to write the terms properly. Logarithmic number place is here, logarithmic base place will be here. And the third one, log b power m base a is equal to, this power comes as the multiple m into log b base a. This is the third rule, very important one. Next, fourth one, log a to the base a equal to 1. Fifth one, log 1 to the base a equal to 0. Sixth one, a power log m to the base a will be equal to m. To RHS and RHS equal to LHS. Left to right you have to remember, right to left also you have to remember. Means if the problem contains log x base a plus log y base a model, in the next step you have to utilize it as log x into y base a. Whereas the problem contains log x into y base a model, that should be written as log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, Nana? In these all formulae, these logarithmic numbers base results will follow previous condition. Here I explained what is logarithmic number specification, b specification, result specification. They follow their rules as usually. These 6 results, left to right, right to left, you have to remember. Then it is very easy to solve the problems. Okay, Nana? Let us see. Ninth question is log. In the first bit they are asking to determine the values of the following. Means they are asking indirectly to simplify the value. So what is that question? Log 8/27 for the base 2/3. Okay, Nana? Right. This is the question. You need to write very neatly. You have to maintain a little gap to the logarithmic number and logarithmic base. Otherwise, you cannot identify the value. You will get easily, you will confuse the, you will get confused. Okay, right. So log 8/27 base 2/3 means, remember that, Nana, in this kind of problems you will have a power relation between the logarithmic number and logarithmic base. Power relation means this number can be written in powers of one another or in powers of same number outside. Okay, so coming to this, 8/27 2/3 is 8 is 2 cube value, 27 is 3 cube value. So finally 8/27 is 2/3 whole cube. So directly I am considering that log 2/3 whole cube is this value with base 2/3. Now it look like log b power m to the base a is equal to m into log b base. Okay, na? Right. So in this result, this is equal to, power will come forward, 3 into log 2/3 to the base 2/3. Okay, Nana? Now if you observe this, it is equal to 3 into, it look like log a to the base a, same value. That's why its value will become 1. Since you have to write the formula, log a to the base a equal to 1. 3 times 1 is 3. That's it. This is the answer. So whenever we need to apply the formula, there compulsory you have to write the logarithmic formulas. Okay, na? That is beneficial for us. Right. This is first question. 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is equal to. This is the question. We need to determine its value. We have to simplify it. It look like, first of all, a power m plus n model, exponential formulas, which is equal to a power m into a power n. Everybody knows it. Like that you write it. 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. According to this formula, this is equal to 4 into, now it look like a formula, that one is a power log b base a model. A power log b base a model is equal to b, one of the most important formula. By that its value is equal to 3. 4 into 3, 4 times 3 is 12. That's it, problem ends. With this formula and this formula we need to write. Is that clear, Nana? Second question is that model. In this, fourth one is given as 2 into log 3 minus 3 into log 2. Is that clear, Anna? So it is equal to what? Now it look like m into log b. M into log b for any base is equal to product of the logarithmic term will become power of the logarithmic number. So log b power m. This is the formula we are going to apply. So this term will become automatically log 3 square minus, this is also same condition, log 3 will comes to 2 power, that's it, with this formula, log 3 square minus log 2 cube, that is equal to log 9 minus log 8. Now it is looking like log x minus log y, which is equal to log x by y according to formula, that is equal to log 9 by 8. That's it. That is the final answer. Is that clear, Anna? Right. Log 10 plus 2 into log 3 minus log 2. Okay, na? We need to simplify this problem as a single term. It is in expanded form, simplify it, which is equal to log 10. I am going to write as it is because this is in simplest form. This term we need to convert into simplest form. Automatically this is also in simplest form. So plus this will become log 3 square, multiple will become power of the logarithmic number like previous question, minus log 2. Here what formula we applied? M into log b is equal to log b power m. Is that clear, Nana? We need to write it. This is equal to, already I told you, when the logarithmic terms are having plus between them, automatically logarithmic numbers will be having multiplication between them. Okay, na? So that is log 10 into 2. 10 into 3 power 2 is 9. 10 into 3 power 2 is 9. When logarithmic terms are having minus between them, that logarithmic number will comes in the denominator. Okay, Nana? That is the formula. This is equal to 2 times 5. This is equal to log 5 9s are 45. This is the final answer. Okay, na? Expanded form is converted into single term. Okay, these questions are important either for 1 marks in bit part or 2 marks in part A. Right? Next, they are asking to expand log p cube p square into q cube by r power 4. It is given as single term, they are asking to expand, means quite reverse process of the second problem model, right? So solution, consider log p square into q cube by r power 4. Consider this well. This is equal to, first of all, this total is first term by this total is second term. It look like a by b form. A by b means log a by b means log a minus log b. Am I clear? So according to that, log p square into q cube minus log r power 4. What formula we used here? This is log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. This is equal to, now it look like a product formula, log x into y. So directly that is in bracket I am writing log p square plus log q cube is its expansion minus log r power 4. Okay, Nana? Here for this what formula we used? Since log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Am I clear? Right. Now this is equal to, now it look like log b power m model. So since log b power m is equal to m into log b, by this term can be written as 2 into log p. 2 into log p plus this will become multiple 3 into log q minus 4 into log r. 4 into log r. That's it. This is the final answer according to this. This ends. Short answer questions or long answer questions. That one is fifth one. Neatly I will explain. Please observe that. The question is, if x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 times of log x plus y is equal to 3 into log 3 first term plus log x plus log y. This is the question they are asking. Same model question in the March paper, 2025 March paper, same model question they asked. So listen to me carefully. How to solve? Very simple one, Nana. It is very important either for 4 marks or for 6 marks. Just in few steps we will try to complete it. Consider LHS. LHS equal to 2 into log x plus y. It look like m into log b, which is equal to log b power m, so that it can be written as log x plus y whole square. Multiple will become power of the logarithmic number. It is equal to log x plus y whole square form, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Normal simplification. This is equal to log of x square plus y square value is given as 25xy. This is 25xy plus 2xy is there already. Since given condition, this is equal to log 25xy plus 2xy is 27xy. Clear, Anana? Next steps. This implies or this equal to log, single term becomes, expand them. We can write this one as 3 cube is 27 into x into y. According to product formula, you can write them as log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Am I clear, Nana? According to product form. Now it is looking like it's a reverse formula, log b power m. So power becomes multiple into log 3. Power becomes multiple into log 3 plus log x plus log y. That is equal to RHS. We got RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. So many models are there to solve this kind of problems, Nana. I have taken this one, right? So x square plus y square is 25xy. We have utilized here by taking LHS. Finally we got RHS. So LHS equal to RHS means proof is completed. Hence proved. Hence proved. Very important for 4 marks or 6 marks. Right now. Sixth one. The question is, if log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. This value they are asking to find by giving this total result. So how to get it? Solution, Nana. Very important one. This model also, listen to me very carefully. For this, what we need to take? Consider the given value. Consider log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. Okay, Nana? Remain this one as it is for few steps. Simplify the right side one. How? Half of, it look like a formula, log x plus log y directly. So that will become log xy. Log x into y. Clear? Half will become product of the logarithmic term will go to the power of the logarithmic number. So in the next step it will become log of xy whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, we got it as log of x plus y by 3 is equal to log of, right side value, root xy. Am I clear, Nana? If two logarithmic values are equal, then their respective logarithmic numbers are equal. So that is one of the simple property. So it implies x plus y by 3 left side logarithmic number is equal to right side root x into y. That's it. Algebraic equation has come. Simplify it, we will get the answer. How? Send this divided by 3 to other side of the equality, it will multiply. So 3 into root xy will come and right side it remains x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 3 into root xy. So now squaring on both sides, because right side we have root, square root. That's why this implies x plus y whole square is equal to 3 into root xy whole square. Am I clear, Nana? Right. This implies x square plus y square plus 2xy, a plus b whole square formula, 3 square value 9 into root x whole square value is xy. Whole square means applying to every term of that one. So it is 3 square and root x whole square, it is the result. Just to simplify it, this is x square plus y square. When plus 2xy is going to the other side, it will subtract the right side fellow, 9xy. This implies x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. So to get our required result, divide it with x into y on both sides. Divide with xy. This implies first term x square by xy plus second term y square by xy, right side 7xy by xy. Now do the cancellation, suitable cancellation. 1x get cancelled with 1x, 1y get cancelled with 1y, that's why square will get cancelled. X cancel, y cancel. Therefore, we are getting x by y plus here 1y by x is equal to 7 we got. This is the result, that is the answer. Okay, Nana? With numerical changes, they will ask in the public examination. 7th question, this is also important model. Question is, if 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000, then find 1 by x minus 1 by y value. 1 by x minus 1 by y value. Okay, Nana? So for this one also, I will explain the solution very neatly. Consider the given one. Consider 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 10 cube. 1000 means 10 cube. Now, if you equate these two, that implies 2.3 whole power x is equal to 10 cube, which implies it will come when whole power x is going to the other side of the equality, that will become whole power 1 by x. That is one of the exponential law condition. So it remains 2.3 is equal to other side 10 cube whole power 1 by x. Is that clear, Nana? Left side whole power x, when it go to the other side of the equality, it will become whole power 1 by x. Means when square goes to the other side, it will become square root. Cube is going to the other side of the equality, will become cubed root, means whole power 1 by 3. Same model only, right? This implies, or therefore 2.3 is equal to, it look like a power m whole power n model, that is a power m into n, that is 3 into 1 by x means 3 by x, or you can write like this, 3 into 1 by x means 3 by x. Okay, let us consider this one as equation 1. Next, equate these two. Okay, that implies 0.23 is equal to 10 power 3. Like it, this implies whole power y is equal to, 0.23 whole power y is equal to 10 cube. Like this, 0.23 is equal to 10 cube whole power 1 by y. Therefore 0.23 is equal to 10 power 3 into 1 by y is 3 by y. Let us consider this one as equation 2. Here what formula we applied here? Since a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, this is the formula we utilized, so we need to write it. Okay, now to get our required condition, this is 2.3, this is 0.23, so this one is bigger value. So what I am going to do is equation 1 by equation 2 I am going to do. Equation 1 by equation 2 I am going to do. That implies left side values 2.3 by 0.23 is equal to right side values 10 power 3 by x by 10 power 3 by y. Okay, na? This implies 2.3 by 0.23 means only one decimal point change value. That means the bigger by smaller. So its answer automatically will become 10 with power 1 or 10 is equal to, it look like a power m by a power n model, that is a power m minus n. Okay, na? This is the formula we are using. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Are you hearing to me? Right. Now this implies 10 means 10 power 1 is equal to 10 power, from these values you can take 3 common, 1 by x minus 1 by y. So in the equation of exponents, if bases are equal, respective powers are also equal. So that implies 1 equal to 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Into 3, when it comes to the other side of the equality, it will become divided by 3. So 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y we got. So therefore the final result 1 by x minus 1 by y, which is our required thing, is equal to 1 by 3. That's it. That is the answer. These problems can also be solved in different methods, Nana. Exponential laws application is simple, that's why I have chosen this one. Okay, na? Directly using logarithms also you can solve. That's it, right? Okay, Nana, we completed exercise 1.5 by taking some of the most important problems. Okay, as I told you before, numerical changes application skills are very important, so extra problems for practice in the same model I had given. Those are, if x square plus y square equal to 29xy, then show that 2 into log x minus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y, like fifth question model. Same model, this is the question which is there in 2025 March paper. Okay, if x square plus y square equal to 23xy, then show that 2 into log x plus y is equal to 2 into log 5 plus log x plus log y. Next, sixth question model, if log x plus y by 5 equal to half of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, Seventh question model, if log of x minus y by 3 equal to half of log x plus log y, then find x by y plus y by x model. Okay, na? Sorry, sixth question model. Seventh question models are here. If 3.1 whole power x equal to 0.31 whole power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Same model, if 4.3 whole power x equal to 0.43 whole power y equal to 100, number changed, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Next, 1 mark, 2 marks question expansion models are expanded to simplify models are also important. I told you, na? One of that kind, simplify 3 into log 5 minus 5 into log 3 plus 2 into log 7. So, we need to simplify them. So, like that we can take enough number of questions, Nana. So, these are some among them, right? All the best, practice well. Your practice only makes you perfect, right? Thank you.